Let's get you the latest as far as the investigation by the IT department against top Bollywood celebrities are concerned. Sources in the income tax department have made rather big disclosures against actor Taapsee Pannu in connection with the alleged tax evasion case. India Today has accessed the inside details of the disclosures through top sources in the department, and these IT department sources have accused Taapsee's firm of evading tax to the tune of 25 crore rupees. They claim that unaccounted money and cash receipts of worth 5 crore rupees have also been detected. Income tax department sources say that the actor's endorsement deals are under scanner, and also a film signing amount worth crores is also being looked into. The officials of the income tax department also suspect that Taapsee might have deleted data from her devices at home. Searches will continue. If need be, Taapsee will be questioned again today. Taapsee's already been grilled for 2 days, the day before and yesterday, in connection with this case. As the IT department continues to probe Taapsee Pannu and Anurag Kashyap, let's take a look at the charges levelled against these celebrities. The first charge is that of tax evasion, which according to IT department sources amounts to over 200 crore rupees. The second charge is that these celebrities, along with several others who are being investigated, have unaccounted cash with them. And that's why raids are being conducted in Mumbai as well as several locations in Pune. The third charge is that mobile records have been deleted to remove crucial evidence to ensure that this alleged tax evasion is not detected. This is the information we've picked up from IT department sources. And it's not just Taapsee Pannu, but Anurag Kashyap also, who's in the dock. Big disclosures being made against him and his now defunct firm, Phantom Films. The IT department is alleging manipulation worth crores. Phantom Films is suspected of tax evasion of close to 600 crore rupees. The tax on stake sale was allegedly also not allegedly paid according to the profits made. The firm is also being accused of bogus expenditure as well as bills, and allegedly showed exaggerated expenditure. IT sources say that 7 bank lockers related to suspects have been now put on hold. In addition to this, Anurag Kashyap has been accused of bogus expenditure worth 20 crore rupees. The income tax department sources also allege undervaluation of Phantom shared transactions worth 350 crore rupees. It's claimed that Phantom officials were unable to explain 300 crore rupees discrepancy, and the mobile data was allegedly deleted after the NCB, that's the Narcotics Control Bureau, had begun its crackdown on Bollywood's celebrities and personalities in its drug angle probe. Let's take this across to Pankaj Upadhyay, who's joining us live from Mumbai. Pankaj, good morning. With the kind of information that we're picking up now on the allegations against both Taapsee Pannu and Anurag Kashyap, how is the investigation progressing today?
Good morning, Akshita. So it is clear that the searches are going to continue today as well. As says the government release, that searches are still on at various places. In fact, now we have a clearer understanding from the government release, which says that the searches were conducted at 28 places in Mumbai and Pune. And this is interesting because the government release comes at a time when there has been a bit of war of words between the government and the opposition, not just in the center, but in this state as well. And going by the government release, as says the IT department, that they've found discrepancy, they've found manipulation during the searches, and that there has been suppression of actual of the income compared to the actual benefits that were recovered from the box offices. It says that the production house was not able to explain the suppression of around 300 crore. And interestingly, without naming the actress, it also says that they have the evidence during the searches of the cash receipt of around 5 crore from a leading actress. So if going by what the government release says as of now, it is clear that there is some trouble for these Bollywood celebrities, and that the searches are going to continue even today.
All right, Pankaj, thank you for joining us with all those details. This is a story we'll be tracking very closely here on India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.